looking good from all aspects, isn't it?
When I spoke to Instagroup, when the manager came round and interviewed me, all my questions were answered very well, and it was considered by all my, worries and things that it would be too heavy and all that sort of thing, But they assured me that everything would be fine, and I went with them because I trust them.
The Instagroup have designed the InstaClad Park Home System, specifically obviously for park homes. The cladding system is an aluminium track that is screwed to the existing building. Then the insulation board with a magnesium face is screwed to the track, then with a primer and then a render over the top to create the system, obviously with a drag finish, to give the top coat finish for the mobile home.
I think park homes are unique in that they aren't like a typical building, in that they are made of timber, they are fairly thin, they're movable. One of the main factors about park homes is that they're generally heated through LPG or oil, and therefore because they're poorly insulated, they were using an awful lot of fuel, and therefore what we wanted to do was something that would have an impact on the amount of fuel that they were using, and that's where having a system that fully encapsulates the park home is really important, because it does have such a massive impact on the amount of waste from a park home, therefore reducing the amount of fuel that's needed.
When people talk to me about the park homes insulation, they certainly remind me that of the coldness and the dampness in their properties that they're experiencing, certainly from the issues of condensation in their home and mould forming on leather goods and clothes, and ask what I can do or what advice I can give them to improve the situation.
The park home systems that we've designed at Insta have been very conscious of the unique shape of park homes, the fact that most have got bay windows, and we've needed to cater for different thicknesses around a park home whilst maintaining the insulation thermal properties which are so important on a park home structure.
This is where the house is joined in two parts. In here system, we finish the system with two halves and then put together, obviously the building is joined together here. So to keep the system, so it could be moved on once again in the future, we then keep the system and then fill it with silicone so the original join is there. We also have to extend the window sills on the build. Because we've extended it by 60mm, the window boards will be extended as well accordingly, finished off with bead of silicone.
Really, really pleased with the outcome. The men were excellent. They'd done a fantastic job, very respectful to me as well. Oh, I'm really thrilled, because before we didn't have little windowsills on all the way round. So now I've got windowsills and it's spotlessly white. And everybody that comes here says it's a lovely job.
Here are some of the finishing touches we put on. These are brick slips to give it the original features. We like to do these things to make sure that the property has a fresh look. This also comes with a lifetime 25-year guarantee.
That guarantee, which you can only get by having a fully certified system in the first place, is really important. It gives park home owners and any potential funders comfort that what we're doing is going to last the lifetime of the park home, which is really, really important.
I like it. It's amazing.
Excellent.
Yeah, you're pleased.
Over the moon, yeah.
Yeah, good.
As long as you're happy.
Yeah, I'm very, very happy.